So today is packing day and we are also leaving. So it is October 14th, Monday, and it's 8:22. And we are going to be leaving, I think, at 11. We're meeting downstairs. 11:30, I think we're leaving. So I have time to pack because I kind of like just have stuff still out and I have to figure out how I'm getting all of this even. But I'm gonna go down to breakfast because I'm really hungry. Okay, see you later. So I just finished packing everything. I think it's just Brandon with a couple stuff over there. But yeah, my stuff is all packed. I'm so happy. So these are my new suitcases. They're really cute. Yeah, so apparently I'm going for the rose gold theme. Just like my cell phone. Yeah, so I'm just having, it's this, even this is rose gold too, so it's super matchy. I was trying to think if I wanted to put like what do you call it, like stickers on it, but it might not look nice after, so I guess I'm not putting stickers on my suitcase. I should have bought like not uglier ones, but like more travel-y suitcases, but those will work. They're cute, and then I can have cute suitcases on all my trips now, and I don't have to keep borrowing my friends' carry-ons when I go on short trips because I'll have my own. Alright, so I think we're gonna go to Starbucks to try and see if there's any of those cute Starbucks Okinawa cups, because you know how in Hawaii, I guess wherever you are, in Hawaii we have like Hawaii cups that say the little mugs, or I don't know if they're like tumblers or whatever, they all say Hawaii on it. So this over here has Bingata and Okinawan design. Yeah, so Brandon has to finish packing and then we're all done to go. I just got small Starbucks chai latte from Starbucks. We're going to Don Quixote to go buy the last minute stuff. So we got to the airport. We're going all unloading the suitcases, and then we're going to be heading off to Nagoya for our layover flight. And then hopefully get back to Hawaii on time. We're gonna be bringing the hurricane. The typhoon's coming with us towards Hawaii. That's what they said, because it already hit Japan and then it's turning towards Hawaii now. What you doing?
Everybody's running away from you.
This area that we just went into, they have an extra sink for after you eat, you can wash your hands. And then they also had a place where you can wipe the table with a new or old cloth. Like a new cloth, and you put the old cloth back. We just went through security right here, and we're gonna head off to our gate now. I think we're just catching up to everybody else. So. We just got on our first plane for Nagoya, and then we'll be on our way to Hawaii. So we just got to Nagoya Airport and we are just walking. It is currently 6:06 and we have our next flight at 10 p.m. Look at this thing. There's a hood that comes connected to it, and you just sleep with your hood. There's so many colors. Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh no. It's so funny. I'm in this store called Muji to Go, and look at this. These are all shirts. They're like this big. And inside here is a shirt that you can like unravel, I guess, so you can fit in a bag or something. Try that. It's right here like this. And it's just like a full-on shirt inside the cube. And the cubes are this big. So I guess it's to fit inside your like small briefcase or backpack or something. So in Nagoya's thing, look at this. This is the second floor of their airport before you check in. It looks so fancy. There's like a fake courtyard and everything. Oh, and there's a Pikachu Pokemon store. Where even are we? Look at this. It's like we're not even in the airport. This is London. So this is the top floor of this airport area where you can shop, and it looks so cool. It has like different areas where you can buy stuff, but it has different theme looks. This Starbucks has all the cups from all the different districts, prefectures, and they're so nice. Okay, now I guess we're leaving. Parents have left. So I just bought the black inks sundae. It's with I think it's shrimp and squid ink. So yeah, it's really good. So I bought two. So after you come through the security gate, there's these boxes over here right outside, and you have to drop if you get duty free, and they put like receipts inside your passport. That's when you do that. So we're in the area where our gate is, and it's so empty, but this whole area, each one of these have a charging station. So I'll probably have to charge my phone because I think it's at maybe 11, not 11, like 30%. So all of these tables have charging stations connected to them. Yep, and then they have these walking escalators everywhere. Alright, gonna go with my cousin and Brandon because he wants to buy another carton of cigarettes. So I guess I'm gonna get to see what that looks like.
Close attention. If you have any questions,